Morning students, today we will start with stats. Another topic is quartiles. Quartiles are the value of which is the set of variate into four equal parts. Like the median is two equal parts, quartiles are the value of statistical data divided the whole set of observations into four equal parts. Ravi, so there are now two types of quartiles. First is lower quartile and this is upper quartiles. Lower quartiles means Q1 is equal to n plus 1 by 4th observation and if n is odd and n by 4 observation when n is even. Then we have Q3. Q3 is 3n plus 1 by 4 when n is odd and 3n by 4 n is even. And then it is interquartile range. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Then it is semi interquartile range. Semi interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1 by. So do the sums. It's like median only. Example 1. Example 1 is in class that the marks scored by 11 students are 13, 17, 20, 5, 3, 19, 7, 6, 11, 15 and 7. Question is find number 1 median, number 2 lower quartile, number 3 upper quartile and number 4 interquartile range.
Minute में दुखी of class.
So first of all we'll arrange it, arranging in ascending order. Ascending order it will be 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. So n is 11. 11 is even number, odd number. So median of odd number is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. So median will be 11 plus 1 by 2, that is by 2, that is the 6th observation. So median is equal to 30. Second, lower quartile. Lower quartile is, so lower quartile is n plus 1 by, that is q1 is n plus 1 by 4 and n is odd. So 11 plus 1 by 4th item, that is equal to 12 by 4 is third observation. So third observation is 6, that is cube. Then q3 is 3n plus 1 by 4, that is 3 11 plus 1 by 4, that is ninth observation. Ninth observation will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 17, and the last one is q3 minus q1 is 17 minus 6 is 11. Now the next question is, x is 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157. Number of students is 6, 4, 11, 9, 16, 12 and 2. Now first of all we have to find for that cumulative frequency. This will be 6, 10, 21, 30, 46, 58 and 60. So to n is 60. So the first is the median. Value of median is equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 observation by 2, 60 by 2 plus 60 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30th plus 31st by 2. 30th will lie here and 31st will lie here. So it will be 154 plus 155 by 2, 154.5. Q1 is n by 4. That means 60 by 4. That will be 15th observation. 15th observation will be 153. Q3 is 3n by 4 observation. That is 45th observation. 45th observation will be, it will lie here, that is answer will be 155. So interquartile range, interquartile range will be Q3 minus Q1, 155 minus 153, 2 is the answer. That is all for today. If you have a doubt, you can call me at my number. You can call me at my number 9988506200 and 9417013360.